Hola, chicas. Here we will begin our speaking practice portion of ER and IR verbs. To say, I learn Spanish in school, you would say, aprendo español en la escuela. Me repite, aprendo español en la escuela. How would you say the students learn mathematics at Harpeth Hall? If you said, las chicas aprenden matemáticas en Harpeth Hall, then you are correct. Las chicas aprenden matemáticas en Harpeth Hall. How would you say the boy drinks a lot of Coca-Cola? El chico bebe mucha Coca-Cola. El chico bebe mucho Coca-Cola. How would you say, I eat a lot of tacos in the restaurant? Como muchos tacos en el restaurante. Now, how would you say, I like to eat a lot of tacos at the restaurant or in the restaurant? Me gusta comer muchos tacos en el restaurante. How would you say, we understand the lesson? Comprendemos la lección. Comprendemos la lección. Now we're going to try it without having the ER or IR verb as a visual in the slide. How would you say the boys run cross country? Los chicos corren cruzcampo or cross country. Los chicos corren cross country. How would you say, my cousin believes in ghosts or fantasmas? Mi prima cree en los fantasmas. Or mi primo or prima cree en los fantasmas. Now, how would you say, we should study with my sister tonight? Debemos estudiar con mi hermana esta noche. Debemos estudiar con mi hermana esta noche. How would you say, your uncle and I read many books? Tu tío y yo leemos muchos libros. Tu tío y yo leemos muchos libros. How would you say, the gymnasium opens at 8 in the morning? El gimnasio abre a las 8 por la mañana or de la mañana. El gimnasio abre a las 8 por la mañana. How would you say, my parents attend classes at night? Mis padres asisten a las clases por la noche. Mis padres asisten a las clases por la noche. How would you say, his brother and his cousin share a house? Su hermano y su primo comparten una casa. Su hermano y su primo comparten una casa. How would you say, she decides to attend the party? Ella decide asistir a la fiesta. Ella decide asistir a la fiesta. How would you say we describe our family in the poems? Describimos nuestra familia en las poemas. Describimos nuestra familia en las poemas. How would you say the girls write secret messages in the class? Las chicas escriben mensajes secretos en la clase. Las chicas escriben mensajes secretos en la clase. How would you say, my cousin receives many gifts, regalos, at her quinceañera? Mi prima recibe muchos regalos a su quinceañera. Mi prima recibe muchos regalos a su quinceañera. How would you say, your sister and your brother live in California? Tus hermanos viven en California? Or tu hermano y tu hermana viven en California? Viven en California.